Done.
Okay guys, I thought I would introduce you to something called TAT, Thematic Apperception Test. This is a test which is a pivotal or vital part of selection to most crucial pivotal positions in large organizations. For example, in the government, selection to the CBI, RAW, Research and Analysis Wing, some of the secret services, higher positions in the Department of Home Affairs, in all these defense services, you would have to face a test called TAT, Thematic Apperception Test. What that means is simple. Thematic comes from theme. You have to look at a theme. Apperception comes from applied perception. So what you have to do is look at a theme which may not be too clear, and then note down your perception of the theme. And based on what your perception is, the selectors would decide whether you would fit into this particular position or not. We'll just take a look at one of the themes. So what you see on the screen is a theme which is generally used for TAT, Thematic Apperception Test. So it's hazy, it's not too clear. And then you're asked to write your first impression of this image. What do you see here? Okay.
Done.
So some candidates would see the devil in that picture. Some others may see a gladiator trying to defend himself in that picture. So what does it reflect? It simply reflects the subconscious of this candidate or the real personality of the candidate. See, if you have a negative mindset, or if your subconscious is negative, you would think negative, you would see negative, you would feel negative because your mindset is negative. So when you see a hazy picture, a person with a negative mindset would obviously see something negative. But a person who is optimistic, bubbling with positivity, bubbling with energy, inching forward in life, or actually itching to move forward in life, this person would see only positive things. Even a situation like COVID, which is detrimental to the entire economy, would be looked at optimistically by a person with a positive mindset. He would see opportunities in that. For example, see, I have seen some opportunity in this. See, I was a person who always believed in direct classes. I never believed in online classes. Now, since there is no choice, I am testing out the potential possibility of online classes. In other words, if you are optimistic, you will find an opportunity in every negative situation. Sometimes a TAT may be a video, an audio, a story which is told to you, whatever. See, for example, I have seen a TAT where the candidates are shown a video clip where a person, a well-dressed person, is walking straight at a fast approaching train. He is going at it straight, as if determined. Now, if you have a negative mindset, obviously this looks like a suicidal attempt. But then for someone with a positive mindset, he would observe that a fellow who is going to commit suicide may not walk on the rail line in a determined fashion. He would just lie down on the railway line, ready to die. And a person who is trying to commit suicide may not be so well dressed. It is not as if you are going for a photo shoot, you are going to commit suicide. Now, the person with the positive mindset would always read this as somebody who has noticed a fissure or a crack in the rail line, and who is trying to warn the loco driver sufficiently in advance so that he can save thousands of lives. Now please note, in a picture, in a sound, In a story, the optimistic person would always see positive things, and the pessimistic person would always see pessimistic things. That is why it is said, even an opportunity is a difficulty for a pessimist, and even a difficulty is a huge opportunity for an optimist. Thank you very much.